What's going on, everyone? Mario here with Neko Prince, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some extra money with a few different side hustles. Now, each of these side hustles that I'm going to talk about are side hustles that I myself have actually made some money with. Has it made me a millionaire? Not yet, but maybe eventually. But regardless of that, at the end of the day, it has been some extra income. In my first year alone of starting my t-shirt business, only with my business, I made about an extra $25,000 in that year. Aside from that, some of these other hustles have brought me in anywhere between $1 to about $500 or $600 each month. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, even if it's an extra $100 or $200 a month, that's a pretty big help. That's pretty much either part of the car payment or part of my rent. So if you want to learn some different hustles that I've actually used myself and made some money from, tried and proven hustles, then make sure you check out this video all the way to the end because you're not going to want to miss this. And honestly, who wants to miss money? We all need and love money, right? So let's get to it. So the first hustle that we're going to cover is starting your own business. So this can really mean almost anything. You can do what I did and start your own t-shirt business, or you can probably start a sticker business. Maybe you can start flipping shoes, flipping stuff from the Goodwill. You never know. One day you might walk into a Goodwill or a Salvation Army or any thrift store and just come across a gold mine. It's happened before. It's happened to me a couple of times back when I used to flip. Some of my best sellers were actually some True Religion jeans. Pretty much the moment that I listed them on eBay, 2 days later, they were sold. Any type of business that you can start that you're passionate about or that you would enjoy doing, try it out, start it up. Next up on our second spot, we have affiliate marketing. And I know a lot of people are going to think affiliate marketing, there's no money in that. That's impossible. That's hard. That's not true. I've made money off of it. You just have to have some sort of platform. So pretty much all you really have to do is have some sort of captivating content, whether it be writing a blog, making a YouTube video, making some TikToks, or making some Instagram reels. Affiliate marketing is pretty simple to do. You can go to a website like ShareSale, sign up with ShareSale, and then from there you can look. Actually, let's do that. So this is ShareSale, and it's pretty much one of the easiest places that you can get on to start affiliate marketing. There are other places like ClickBank, but I'm not a big fan of ClickBank because a lot of the businesses or products that they have on there are kind of sus. So I actually like ShareSale because I've used it. I'm currently using it, and I've made quite a few bucks on this. So all you have to do is go ahead and sign up, and make sure you sign up as an affiliate. Just to show you exactly how it looks on the inside, let me go ahead and log in. And as you can see here, I actually have made about $256 in the past month or two. And this is just one of my affiliate websites. There's also a few others. So I'm also affiliated with Heat Transfer Warehouse, let's say. But Heat Transfer Warehouse has their own affiliate program. So in that case, I applied directly with them on their website. So on here, you can go to merchants, and then you just search for merchants. Now, this isn't limited to just t-shirts. If you're making videos on books, on video games, on photography, whatever it may be, you can find a category down here. So let's just go into really quick sports and fitness, just as a quick example. Scroll down, and then you have all of the different brands that are currently looking for affiliates. All you have to do is click on join program, and sometimes you're going to have to answer a couple questions, but ultimately they're going to end up reviewing your account, and most likely they're going to approve you. Now, there are a few companies that are going to deny you, but if that's the case, don't even worry about it. Just apply at some other ones. Once you get approved, then you get this. You get your own links. Now, when somebody clicks on that link, depending on the company, the viewer is going to have a certain amount of time to make a purchase so you can get a commission. So I think for certain companies, it's about 2 or 3 days. Some others go up to a week. But as long as the customer makes a purchase within that time frame, you're going to get a small commission. And just rest assured that that is completely free. So your customer's not going to get charged more, and you're not going to get charged anything. This is pretty much at the expense of the company themselves. So they're pretty much going to be taking the hit on the commission that they're going to be paying you. So you can use websites like ShareSale to be able to become an affiliate for different websites, or you can just go to different websites and send them an email to see if they have an affiliate program. Most of the times, they probably will. Now, as a quick motivator, the most that I've ever made in 1 month with affiliate marketing, with all of the different links combined, has been a little bit over $1,000. Now, it is important to note that these numbers are not always going to be consistent. So 1 month you can make $300 or $400. The next month you can make maybe even $1,000 or $1,500, and then the month after you make $5. It happens. It really depends on how often you're posting content or how often you're putting your links out there. But if you get a small commission month, don't be discouraged because, again, at the end of the day, it's extra money that you're making. Now, the third hustle that I'm going to talk about is creating content. Specifically, creating videos. So jump on YouTube, jump on TikTok, jump on Instagram Reels. Start making funny videos, start making fun videos, or start making informative videos. In my case, I make informative videos. I started on TikTok and I started posting informative videos on the t-shirt business. Started posting tips and tricks, and little by little, a few videos started getting traction and I started to get a few more viewers and a bigger audience. As my audience started to grow, so did my potential for brand deals. Now, brand deals are really going to be specific to the type of content that you're making. So since I'm making primarily t-shirt content, I've gotten a few different brand deals with t-shirt vendors. So I've worked with companies like Shirt Space, FM Expressions, Heat Transfer Warehouse, HTVRont, and a few others. And most recently, the one that I'm actually most proud of, which I was mind blown when they reached out to me to make a video, is actually Adobe. Now, don't think that when you're making content, your account is going to immediately blow up and you're going to get tons of followers. It takes time. Before I actually started getting some brand deals and actually getting paid, it was probably at least 2 years. Prior to that, I was making a couple of extra bucks being an affiliate with different companies, but to get paid to make videos specifically, that took a bit. That took my audience to get a little bit bigger and for me to gain a different audience as well on my YouTube channel. So if you start making content, don't be discouraged, especially at the beginning, because at the beginning, you're not going to be getting any views. It's going to be really hard. The key is stay consistent, make good, captivating videos, and more than anything, provide some sort of value to your viewers. Value is key. Value is what's going to make or break your channel. You know, unless you're an entertainer. If you're an entertainer, then the value that you're bringing people is entertainment, but make sure it's good. Now, on that same note about making content, you can also start a YouTube channel. Now, is making content and getting paid for that the same as starting a YouTube channel? Yes and no, because when you have a YouTube channel, you can get brand deals and you can get paid that way, but you can also start getting paid through the YouTube partnership program. Now, they're just starting to change some of the rules for you to be able to qualify to become a YouTube partner, but when I was accepted, it was 4,000 hours of watch time. So you had to have a total of 4,000 hours of your videos being watched within 1 year. And aside from that, you also needed 1,000 subscribers. Now, they are changing a few of those things. I saw a few notes on that, but I'm not entirely sure what they're changing it to. Just like the previous point that I made with being consistent, be consistent with your YouTube channel. YouTube is something that actually takes quite a while to get started. So for me to actually get my channel monetized, it took about 2 or 3 years. Granted, if you have a video that goes viral, you can get accepted a lot quicker. Some people can get accepted within a week. Other people, like myself, take a couple years. But once again, consistency is key. Keep at it. As long as you keep going, you're eventually going to make it. And if you're not making it, if you realize that something's just not working and everything is stale and staying the same, then try to switch up a few things. Switch up your content, switch up the camera angles, maybe try getting a different microphone. Maybe the microphone that you're using is really bad, or completely change the niche. Maybe the niche that you're in either isn't the best for you, or there's just not a lot of people viewing that on YouTube. Could be a mix of a lot of things. Ultimately, you have to try different things to be able to succeed and stay consistent. Now, this last hustle that I'm going to mention is one that I actually just started doing a few months ago, and I've already made quite a couple bucks off of it. I haven't made a ton of money. I probably made a few $100s off of it, but dropshipping is actually a pretty lucrative business. And on top of everything, it's super easy to get into. So what exactly is dropshipping? When it comes to dropshipping, all it really is a fulfillment business model. You're not really touching any inventory. You're not doing practically anything. You're not shipping any materials. All you're doing is finding really good, best-selling, trending products and selling it on your website. So you're going to have different suppliers like Alibaba, AliExpress, or CJ Dropshipping, and you're going to source products from there and send them directly to your customers. So this is exactly how it's going to work. You have your own website, whether it be your own website or if you're selling on a platform like Etsy or eBay. When somebody comes and makes a purchase, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your supplier's website and you're going to place that same order. Now, instead of having that order shipped directly to you, you're going to have it shipped directly to your customer. Once your supplier gives you a tracking number, you go ahead and put that in your platform, whether it be Shopify, Etsy, or eBay. And then your customer is going to know my order was shipped and when to expect it. That's pretty much all there is to it. Your customer is never going to know, if done right, or if you're working with the right suppliers, that you're dropshipping. They're never going to know that you never even touched that product. Personally, I think dropshipping is a very lucrative business model. It just takes time to find the right niche or find the right products for you. You can honestly dropship just about anything. You can dropship shoes or blank clothing, or you can dropship random products that you find trending on TikTok. If you want more information on dropshipping, I can make an entirely dedicated video specifically for dropshipping. If you do want that, let me know down in the comments below. Or if you want me to make a dedicated video for any of the other hustles that I'm talking about in this video, leave it down in the comment below as well. If you want more videos on making money online, then let me know exactly what you guys want to see, because I'd be pretty excited to make a few of these how to make money videos. Trust me, I've tried tons of different hustles. Ever since I can remember, I've been trying to make a quick buck. Little by little, I found out that you can't really make a quick buck, but you can make some semi-quick bucks. You get what I'm saying? Obviously, there's no shortcut to success ever. It's going to take work, it's going to take dedication, and it's going to take grinding. But if you're dedicated, you can get it done. You can make some extra money. It's not about making a huge income from one source. To me, it's about making a bunch of little incomes from a bunch of different sources. So that way, if one source decides to X out, let's say my eBay account gets suspended, I still have everything else bringing in a couple of extra bucks. Ultimately, the more you can grow all of them, the more money you're going to be bringing in, and the less risk you're going to be taking whenever something doesn't necessarily go your way. Huge thank you to everyone for watching. I greatly appreciate it, especially if you made it all the way to the end. Please make sure to leave a like, as well as subscribe to the channel and ring the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Once again, my name is Mario with Neko Prince, and catch you guys next time. Peace.